All righty. We are live on the tubular. We're live. Markets are just hunching. On here. My mental capital. Whatever. Look. This thing's going to all-time highs from here. Lord. Oh my God. Came back. Never came back. I'm deleting everything off my charts now. Oh. What looks good? What looks good? guy. So I think dollar is still strong, um, and obviously Nasdaq has just gone berserk. So looking at euro, it's like hella lows. I know it's one of those pairs. I'm not. I don't know when last night I traded euro, but
oh my god, yeah, it's been some years since I looked at it.
yeah. But like given what we're seeing on indices, it's like you either cut the swing higher or nothing. And I don't feel like I'm not gonna chase price. I'm not trying to short it either, personally.
Yeah.
Like all time highs are right there. All time highs are right there.
There's no point in trying to short all time highs.
Mm-mm.
It's absurd.
Wonky price action though. Like this was good price action overnight. Great price action overnight, but New York ain't give us nothing. Let me mark up euro clearly here. I think euro drops. So even like dollar made a higher high for the day. Euro did not. Euro did not make a. I mean, dollar made a lower low after 7 a.m. open. Pound did the same thing, made a higher high. Euro did not. So I think it's a nice 1, 2, 3 trade that I have marked up right now in my live. Let's see if I get it.
Euro futures?
Yeah, Euro futures.
Let me go check that out. What's the ticker?
6 EU. If you want the minis, M6 EU. I'm not trying to touch Nasdaq at all right now.
I'm doing none of this shit right now.
Look like you see dollar ran aggressively lower, like made a lower low, and euro did not make a higher high. So
like, it literally traded all the way down into 22,843 last night. And, that's the entry we were looking for overall.
which one are you talking about right now? Nasdaq?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm not even. Yeah, Nasdaq was that's where we entered yesterday and just got out.
Mm-hmm.
Never really left that area. It's a 4 hour gap. It was a 4 hour fair value gap, daily order block level. I mean, it's gone. It's gone. I'm just gonna mark up this slow market. back to Monty Nasdaq. What deals did Trump sign? I don't know. Said it's like 7 deals.
I don't think he said it yet.
Marking up euro here, expecting to move lower to these lows. Tuesday's lows. Current expectations. The dollar. Dollar real quick.
This shit really don't want to hit. That's what I'm on right now.
I'm looking at euro for now. Nasdaq is beyond me. Like right now. I have to let it breathe. It's already going to all-time highs. Unless it has a deep retracement, comes back to 2320-ish, then maybe I'll consider.
I think it may. I don't know, bro. I don't like it at all, though. I don't like none of this shit. I'm gonna just stay on the sidelines for now.
Yeah, so
I would like to short from right here. But where I come high.
nothing.
Beyond me. Shit.
I already knew, like, going into this week, I was like, I just felt it after Monday. I don't know what it is. I need to go look at Monday and see what I saw, but I literally felt like it'll be shitty price action. But again, like, if the risk could have been taken at the 15-minute inverse loop zone at 8:45. If you're up in London Central, obviously it's easy trade. But us expecting New York to deliver something, it just went up higher. They didn't even give us no entry, That's what's annoying about that. But if it gets a pullback.
I mean, I really wanted to sweep highs since it's already there. Like, shit, go ahead and sweep it.
Yeah, I wouldn't try to even short it until it does that.
Yeah, hell no.
But if it gives a pullback, I was trying to get long.
I agree. A 50% pullback would be 23.15.
I'm gonna take a look at it in a second. Marking up this little slow market here called euro. Let's see if it'll give me it. We're around these highs here on euro. I like that.
That shit crazy. It opened up and ran 190 points in what, 10 minutes?
To be honest, it's not doing anything we have. Like, honestly, it looks crazy, but it's not because price. I was looking at price, right? Usually, I like to see it trade within like quarterly range, like 250 to 250. It's really been tight. Like, it's been in the tight range this whole time. So now it just finally moved. It looks like the charts look so expanded, but reality, like, we've seen 190 point moves throughout this whole year. this just happened so quickly, but after the price consolidated so much, that's why it looks like it's going crazy. Reality, this is like, you know,
Correct.
it's just after if we've been getting beat up, or if we've been getting beat up like Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, where it just goes higher, no opportunity to get in. It's like, dang. A minute.
The Nasdaq just swept by.
I just want to delete everything from my charts on Nasdaq. Start over.
Bro, I was finna do that last night, bro. I said, yeah, all this shit invalid now.
Yeah. Just focus on structure.
It,
Euro's so ugly. Anyway, so just gonna leave this be. All right. So we'll see if the price wants to go lower. Ideally, it should stay below this inverse loop zone. Up slow here, but this obviously me going to a secondary market because of this off because Nasdaq decided to take off without us. We're gonna look at Nasdaq shortly. All I really trade is Nasdaq, but
okay, so I looked at ES and there's S&T. ES made a lower low. Nasdaq made a high.
on what time frame?
1 minute.
Man, it's a bullish market. So what do you want to do with that? Short?
I don't know.
Just pointing it out.
First presented, fair value gap just happened at high.
Oh, I'm on Nasdaq too. Let's see.
I'm looking at first presented after 8:45. So it would either be 23.65 or the 1 minute fair value gap at 23.82. Just swept that high.
It's funny how this 1 hour level held the whole time. Never gave up. I mean, Monday consolidated, Tuesday consolidated, Wednesday we have this push higher. I don't know, bro. Like, I don't want to short it. Definitely don't want to short it.
Yeah, I would need to come down about 50 points.
You know, it's tough.
That's why it's best to sit on your hands on days like this.
Yeah. But the thing is, okay, huge XMT though. 30 did not run up that high.
Nasdaq didn't either. I mean, ES didn't either.
So okay, we can see something. If I was a 30 trade, which I'm not, I think it's probably something to do some shorts.
It created equal highs on ES at 6.15.
Oh, 30 is good for shorts right
now. 30 shorts.
Yeah.
Oh hell yeah. Okay. Look at Nasdaq now. It's trading into that 1 minute fair value. Let's see if it inverses. If it inverses, that's a perk, brother. We're at all-time highs. We just shifted market structure on the 1 minute. We have a first percentage right after the market shift. Then it's already swept interim highs as well as overnight highs, previous day highs.
I'd like to get beyond this 945.
So I feel it coming.
I need to see some structure. There's no structure break yet though.
Yeah, I need to see a structure break at 75.
Nothing. There's nothing right now. Because I feel like 30 is gonna stay short because 30 has an inverse 4-hour lose zone. So that's why I'm like, yeah, 30. Once 30 closes above here, it'll drop off on 30. I don't think dollar was done going higher.
Yeah, I would hope dollar goes higher to bring all this bullshit down.
I don't think it's done. I'm expecting euro to drop some more. Now, dollar did hit a significant level, but I don't think it's done.
I think Nasdaq is going to drop. Check on me.
I'm watching Nasdaq. I'm just not intrigued to press that button. I ain't gonna try to catch highs, so I'm watching it just. Gotta be intrigued. Nothing yet. Price ain't doing nothing. If I was a US 30 trader, I'd be short 10. 30 like it's about to sink on trade 30. That means Nasdaq could fall out easily.
And I'm gonna pop them.
Pop them?
Yeah.
The structure break though, brother. I can see what you're seeing though. I can see it. 30 is sinking right now. It's about to.
I think we go crazy, brother.
GBP was. USD. Oh, let's catch momentum. You know, likey.
I'll be right back. Let me go brush my teeth real quick.
Good. break here. Dollar might express itself on different. And it's right here. Take off here. I'll look at Nasdaq shortly. Euro wants to do numbers and go higher here. If dollar takes a tank, it looks like dollars take a little tank. If that's the case, then we could see Nasdaq maybe goes that drop. That'll be fun.
Yeah, I'm waiting on Nasdaq to give me what I'm looking for. But it doesn't look like it wants to give it to me.
Nasdaq's just sitting at all-time highs.
I need to push. Like if it goes, it goes.
Not a fan of this euro. Let's leave euro. Let's go back to my Nasdaq. It's too slow for me. Let's push. So that means dollar wants to go lower. That's a good thing. Nasdaq, yeah.
I'm in shorts at 23.95.
And Q,
Yeah.
still watching. Still watching for now. I can see the short. I feel like they're gonna come in hard.
Oh, short.
Yeah, but I want to see the structure break though.
Yeah, I agree. I'm trying to get the best entry possible, man. Hey, 75 and below. That's what I'm looking for.
75, like 975.
And below.
I can see it drop.
Yeah, I got a 10-point stop. That's what's crazy. My stop is definitely at, yeah, 23, 106.
Don't tell the live now. It's gonna price gonna run to 23.106 now.
Man, don't tell me the market makers want my head too.
Was a nice SMT at the highest.
Bro, he has entry. Yeah, his entry is 23.102.
I see.
Valentine.
Nice.
Yeah, here we go. We starting to drop now.
The sell should be valid. I see SMT too. Just waiting patience still.
Just give me my money.
Can't convince fully yet. Honestly, what does it want to do though? Don't get it twisted.
Yeah, either.
At least it should give one drop into this 5-minute loop. At least into the loop zone. Questions from there, what does it do?
It's definitely trying to pick a side. That's what's funny. And you can avidly see it's trying to pick where it wants to be.
Again, dollar's going higher, so this should. I mean, dollar's going lower. Is it lower? Yeah, lower. It's going lower. It should mean this should go higher though, but
yeah. But this morning it was high and then it went low. Yeah. And now we're running. Come on, man, break this low. Okay, here we go.
I just hopped in that loop zone. How does it want to react?
Don't want to
question now.
Hey, if it breaks this low, we're gone. But it has to break this loop zone right here. Because we swept it, but we didn't keep my hand on my clothes. I don't like how this shit moving. Shit moving weird.
I'm just still watching because that 5 minute level is still strong. It's still there.
Valentine said if this doesn't
What did he say?
Bro.
Tough this week.
Bro, that's funny, bro.
I mean, the market has been a tough week for being realistic.
I don't necessarily think so. I just think it's making us take more time analyzing when we have more.
So it's a tougher week. It's not smoothly moving. Look at what price has done Monday, Tuesday. Like, I mean, look at it. No one got to tell you it's a tough week by looking at price. If you just look at price like that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we have to get through this loot zone right here. If we don't get through it, we're gonna trade hard. Just trying to get through it, just having a hard time.
Even the amount of time we spent on the chart stop price moving this week literally says it's like it's a tough week. Typically, we'll pick a side, price moves to it, boom, we're done. In 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Now, here we are at the highs. You're short. You're hoping it breaks this loot zone. I'm just watching the markets. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the markets are doing nothing.
Doing what it wants to do.
Doing what it wants to do. Like, so it's a tough week. It's not a question. But I felt the things I felt it. Like Monday told me. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna go study this. I'm gonna study this week aggressively because part of it, obviously, there's not really that many news releases till today, and today is gonna be the PM session. So maybe PM session actually delivers smoothly. We'll see. Well, let's figure this out. Obviously, shorts look nice right now. I wouldn't buy. This sell off could be nasty if it really. With these marks that have been playing games, I won't be surprised if it gets a spike high. So far, structure is strong though. 1 minute chart. Structure is very strong. That's what it's gonna do with drop here. Should not want to overcome the last. Like it. I really like it. I really like this. I think you should go back above 23.
I just don't like that.
Structurally speaking, like the way it's painting on a 1 minute chart though, it's like there's no reason for it to spike high. If it does anything, if it goes beyond this last up close candle made, it throws off everything. Right now it's painting nicely. Very nicely. Very nicely. The waters here.
This don't work. I'll come back.
It's painting smoothly though. That's all I gotta say for sure. It's in the 5 minute level now. So, but it's in the 5 minute level. So. Mm-hmm. There we go. We need some more speed here. What's the 50% of this range though? 2315? See 2320. There goes that speed. Ooh, wee.
What speed we looking for, brother?
I like this. Hope it goes all the way to the lows. So that'll be sick. I mean, it's possible.
Oh, okay.
But I ain't gonna hold. I'm gonna see how much speed it wants to move it. Because looking at US 30, I'm not sold on it going higher. I like the way it was painting. That's why I definitely joined you guys. I had a very tight stop too. And just hit an inverse 15 minute level though. The question is, does
Yep,
it
yep. I know.
took some off? It's good so far though. I'll say. Especially if this 5 minute closes like this. Now, if this 5 minute zaps all the way back into that loot zone, that's no good. When well, 50 point, the range is 20. I have mine at 2320 ish.
That's not bad.
That's the 50. That's the 50. Not 50 points. I mean, the retracement 50 whatever. What's going on? All right. Good trade. Good trade so far.
Yes, sir. Good shit.
What's calling my line? What's calling my phone? What's calling this? They can leave me a voicemail. All right, so did I get my 50 points?
Just hit
50%. Oh my God. What a woo-wee! Hey, we love that. It's going to the lows. Yes, sir. Let me take some off the table here. What a sell. It's gonna go to the lows, bro. I think this might just sell off all the way to hell right now. Sheesh. Well, captured on the live. And you did. You did. I needed more confirmation. When I seen the way it was painting on the 1 minute. I needed more confirmation. Once I seen the way that 1 minute was printing, I just said, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and take because it's printing so smoothly. There's no reason for it to retrace higher unless it was like pointless. I mean, unless the whole thing blows up. So I had a tight stop loss in place. Top my entry, call it a day. Now the question is, how much lower do we go? Like, do we come and clear? Because honestly, what I wanted to see was where we went higher was cool, but I feel like where I want to see price really go to for the week was 22,580. Sounds crazy, but I don't know if that's even still feasible at this point. Yeah, it'll have to take like 2 days or something. Because well, again, that's why whenever we all on the same page, because you popped the entry, Valentine popped the entry, it's like I was two confirmations there. I eventually popped the entry, so when we're trading the same thing. It just shows like when two people are on side, typically it's a good trade. Sir, what a drop though. Now the question is, does it come all the way up back and go higher again? I don't know. I think US 30 again. It's a market that said I'll be short on. US 30 hat. It's gonna take 4 hour lows, so I'm gonna hold this one till as long as I don't do no crazy pullback. I'm gonna hold till US 30 takes 4 hour lows. Good trade, really good trade. Patience, beautiful execution. I love this. I don't know if anyone caught that on the live, man. Go ahead, like, subscribe, man. We do this every single day. Every single day. That was a beautiful trade. Really beautiful. Move my stop loss in place. One thing, this thing will pull back. I just don't like where I need to put my stop loss right now. I don't like it. Like if I want to hold for longer prices, 23.70. It's a good entry. No, it was a great entry. I had a very tight stop loss. I'm not tripping on the entry, just more of like I wouldn't want to see price. Cause what I'm saying is, I think price can drop lower, but it might want to retrace deeper first. And the question is, do I want to give up that much profit? Do I have to? Do I want to give that up in expectation gonna drop lower? That's all. I still see it dropping. I just don't like when price doesn't have structural drops because then I can easily move my stop loss tighter. For me, the execution on the live was wonderful. Very tight stop loss. Waited for the confirmation I wanted. It was beautiful. I'm not tripping on that at all. Now we're pushing. Now I don't know what POZ Bo's saying right now. He's probably lit. Good job, Nasdaq. See, now I can put my stop loss a little lower. Now I'm gonna put it way lower. It's gonna keep running. Now I'm gonna keep it way lower. Now I feel comfortable. I'll put it right here. Again, this is what we were saying. Like, since there's no news, it just goes back to when there's no news, bro. Till later in the week, the market's just cheese. The day of the news, it open up more. The day of news, open up the markets more. What a trade. Is that gonna take out those lows? I think it's nasty, bro. They just hit a significant level though.
Entry Valentine said I had set TP at 5. Didn't expect it to drop so violently. Set and forget. Don't do that shit.
Hey, I heard on the live, we don't do the set and forget. We do
not set and forget.
We watch price. But again, it depends on what you're doing though. So you know, profit is profit. Nice entry.
Yeah. Nah, he said that's a nice area of interest. I'm not mad at it.
I don't do the set and forget. I don't do that either.
You're gonna sit and lose your money.
Hey, OZ Bo, y'all need to listen to that Pete OZ Bo trying to make meals on YouTube, man. Go tune into that. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's a bad. I don't know where you put a take price. I don't think it's bad though. Right now, though, I think price can move one more time. It's rejected off of 23,968, which I think is like a Sunday opening price or Sunday. It was either Sunday opening price or Thursday close. One of those days. You know, we had a holiday this weekend. So it's rejecting off of that. This could turn price around. And hold on now. The thing is, I know 30 is gonna run way lower, bro. I know 30 is gonna run way lower. We'll have the patience though. Get my stop loss at 50% now. Taking partials. What if this just a pullback for the buys?
I wouldn't disagree.
Yeah. I'll put it beyond them. But I think 30 got lows to take, so I'm not even tripping. I'm not gonna participate in the buys. This is a good trade. I'll wait for PM. PM session gonna deliver something nice. At least I would expect. Now we're back in the range. PM session probably do something nice. What a trade. That was nice. That was really nice. That was nice. The SMT was too obvious. And see, luckily for me, right, as much as I went to that 5 minute loot zone clear, I saw the structure. I'm like, okay, you already in this. I wanted more confirmation. I saw the way price is printing. I said, yeah, let me go ahead and join because we can expect that to get past price. A price get past that 5 minute area. So that was good. That was really good. If I waited, I would never gotten the entry. Look, looking at it right now, if I waited for that 5 minute loot zone to clear first, there was no like entry. No pullback. No pullback. But it's like I like how we created a C4 right above the 5 minute, right here, and use that for an entry. Stop loss above that, right at the 80 level. Just freaking beautiful. We should probably go with 23,900. If we get past this level here, these lows, 23,900 next. 23,900. If we can get past this current lows right now, I can see us getting to 23,900. Right now, my MNQ is at 23. Sorry, 22,900. My bad. 22,900. Okay. 22. Is at 22. That's funny. So. I was confused. Hold on, bro. You still holding any positions or?
Yeah. Okay. If it I cleared my stop
Above what? Feeling that bitch tight.
Yeah.
I have mine set 20. Let me put 2330. I don't think you should go above any couple close candles. But that last D4 right created on the 1 minute chart, 1032. I don't think you should go above that. For the trade, it's gonna violently push aggressive now. I can feel it doing one more boom. Every time my hand wants to go to TikTok, Instagram, I don't have Instagram. Every time my hand wants to go to Instagram, I know what's because I delete Instagram from my phone. But TikTok, though, I click on TikTok, but TikTok is just not as addictive. I deleted Instagram and Threads. I realized once you get on Threads, that algorithm is crucial.
It's so much on Threads.
I don't know what Facebook, Instagram, Meta they do, but they know how to keep your attention. Like
here,
bro.
Like if any type of woman or whatever, your algorithm is fried.
Yeah, that's true. Anything you click on like it's fried, but it's like with TikTok, I don't feel that way. With Twitter, I don't feel that way. But Meta, what's on my Instagram? Scrolling. Threads, I barely use it, but whenever I do hop on Threads, I'm like, why am I still on this app? So avoid that taking up my attention. I just deleted the stuff. This is taking too long. This might be it for the AM session. I like how the 15-minute close, but I might go bump that 15-minute fair value gap one more time. It shouldn't go more than the midpoint. This stuff can get nasty, bro. If it drops, it's gonna get nasty. I think we take 23. I think we take our current intraday lows out. If I think we take out every single low, I think it goes 22,750. If we fully go berserk, 22,750.
I can see that for sure.
Obviously,
we
first
get off this 1 minute now. Shit, there's no need to be on it.
Obviously,
man, what you say?
No, go ahead.
I was gonna say I still wanted to trade back to the new day opening gap from yesterday, 6 p.m. at 22,906.
Yeah, I think it hit that. It just has to clear. It's a new week opening gap low. It needs to clear. Like it just needs to clear those lows that are the closest lows. It needs to clear them aggressively, and we'll melt. What a trade! Let me screenshot this here. What a freaking trade!
Okay, it didn't stop me out, and it's gone.
Ain't gonna lie, bro. Hey, look at that candle. It got to 22,999.25. You say you had to stop at 23,000. It was 0.7.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Hey, that's how you know. That's how you know.
Yeah.
That's how you know. What a trade. They're not trying. Retail. The reason I want this to sink so hard, retail is gonna think break and retest.
Oh, of course.
I think it should just sink. I'm looking at the 1 hour chart. It looks like a nice break retest for continuous buys. I want to just keep sinking. Break retest, stop loss below those lows on the 1 hour. Just take them out. Take them out, please.
Yeah, bro. See, man. Every day we show up in the markets, bro, we realize it don't matter the conditions, bro. We got this shit.
That's why I don't fear. Like even like when price was all the way up there, I'm like shorts. Like if you can't take the buys, don't need to complain about that. Like a lot of times people will see the markets all the way in the air. Like, oh my god, I didn't miss the buys. I missed that. Okay, but what is the market presenting? Try to see if you can make something out of. Life gives you lemons, make lemonade. It ain't done. So I was like, okay, let me even see what euro end up doing if it end up dropping still. Trash. You see, that's why I had to exit. I try to trade something else every time. I'm just even close this whole tab out. Whenever I look at something else, waste of time.
Nasdaq, if they let you know, I should just stick with the mother.
Every single time, bro. Waste of time. Euro just a waste of time. But I was quick to know, like, it's a slow market. Let me just get up out of here. Nothing beats Nasdaq. Sorry. Even when you think it's too far gone, it gives you something. And I'm telling you, it's gonna deliver aggressively for sellers. I think so. Because all week has been BS think. So now it's time to smell. It's gonna keep going, bro. It's gonna keep going. It just a new opening gap. It's gonna keep going. This one we ignore it for the bounce. We expect to slice right through it. Take something off the table just because. So more off the table. Nasdaq. You just gotta survive the storm, bro. That's all.
Literally, you just got to survive the storm.
Survive the storm. I know a lot of traders, even myself, I had a tough Monday, Tuesday because I was see trades that gave me the opportunity to make the profits, but I want more. Like today, we want more. This is what we typically expect: 50 points, but like give me more. And then we're getting the more today. Monday, Tuesday, not giving the more.
I'm gonna be real, bro. This might be a good place for me to close because we're also at where's this? What is this thing we're at?
A new week opening gap.
No, it's not the new week opening up.
It's one of them. I have
It's
one.
yesterday's balance price range that pushed price down.
I also have a new week. I have a new week opening gap there though.
Right there.
I can see that. I see those lows getting tagged. We didn't go all the way up that high and come down to nothing. And then keep in mind, 30.
Well, actually, we just blew through it.
Yeah, and then 30 again has those lows to get tagged on the 4-hour chart. So that's why I'm not really in a rush. But we did hit this is a new opening gap that I have on my chart. 100%. Let me see if I have that chart. Yeah, this is Monday, 9:30 opening price this week. So look at that. There. To the left. That's 9:30 opening price. Extend that out. Go right there. I can definitely see that price. But again, I just think that it's but the market's gonna deliver one way. My experience is telling me like they play with everyone Monday, Tuesday, play with price Monday, Tuesday. It's time to keep delivering price one way. We're already in motion. We're in selling. This is a sell delivery, price run. 30 has 4-hour lows to get snatched. These lows on Nasdaq are not gonna last. I don't think they're gonna run through them. They're gonna run right through that shit. The question is to go higher first though before doing it. But them lows getting ran out for sure. Question. If you look at the 50-minute chart too, it's like that's a swing low. You just snatch it. 1-hour lows are in jeopardy, bro. I can feel it. That's another 100 points if we go to 850. Audio. Boom. Boom. Audio. This is how the market was supposed to move. I love it. Then let's see what S&P is doing here. Okay. S&P has 6 a.m. lows to run out. not get too hyped. Let me see what. Let me actually look at price. Oh yeah, it's gonna run those lows, bro. It's gonna run those lows. It's gonna run those lows aggressively. I mean aggressively. Yeah. 23,900. We gotta see that. Body you. Whoa, whoa.
I'm trying to pull this bitch. I ain't gonna lie.
I mean, unless you have one more contract left, then
Now I'm probably just gonna close, bro, because I'm actually satisfied. Like one trade, I'm like that gave
you
me
might miss a
100.
deeper run, bro. Hey,
I'm,
hey, if anything, just put your stop loss tight at. I'd rather you, bro. Put your stop loss at like 23, 22,981 type shit.
it's still at 22,995. I haven't moved it.
Okay, cool. Then let it breathe, bro. What are you rushing for?
My boy said, brother, you can get another 100 points. What are you talking about?
That's what I'm saying. Like this shit is moving. Do you? I mean, look at US 30. Look at the flower chart. Tell me he's not gonna take this lows.
No, I haven't even looked at any other.
Look at 30 on the flower chart for a second.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like
I get it now. I see what you're saying.
even on the from one look at it from a 1 hour perspective. Like where else is it gonna go?
No, nowhere to be honest.
You know what I'm saying? Then those are clear equal lows on Nasdaq. Should take it just needs to blast through those lows. You can't dance too much. And again, the way I would see it is, I've said over and over, but like price consolidated Monday, Tuesday, like played games, and then we had an aggressive push higher manipulation, and now we're finally delivering what price wants to deliver. So if you think about it, this is consolidation, manipulation, reversal. We haven't taken out liquidity.
We have not.
We're hitting technical levels, but we have not taken out liquidity. So I don't see why we should really be in a rush to close anything. In my opinion. Obviously take partials, move your stop loss, but to fully close the position when price is just running, no sir. No sir. No sir. The beautiful fucking trade, man. Only at the Texas Heist. Snatching bags. Follow the YouTube channel, the Texas Heist. I'll be trading live there as well. I interchange between the two. I've been on this channel more, but you catch me on the Texas Heist YouTube channel. So if you guys get any value, follow, subscribe, and like, man. Encourage the boy, encourage the kid, encourage the community. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep going live for the free. The insights. I'm on the phone with Professor. Not with Professor. I'm on the phone with Liquid Extractions. So yeah, y'all gonna keep hearing us talk about these markets live, give y'all insights from both perspectives. He wants to close his trade. I'm like, hold on now. He got in the trade early, and I was still looking for confirmation. So now I'm forcing him to hold the trade. I'm forcing him to hold the trade now. He got it earlier than me. I was still waiting for confirmation. Eventually, it looked good. I joined the wave. So now it's my turn to have hold the trade longer. Let's see if we can get this push. I want to see a push to 23,900.
Me too.
22. I keep saying 23. 22.
Yeah, you be frying me with that, bro.
I know we're so technical too, so like those numbers matter. Like, wait, what?
Yeah, bro. Whole brain going to a feeding frenzy.
Stop loss just a little lower just because. I was being a little difficult here. It's really crazy because from where price is right now to where my stop loss is, that is a 50. That is 50 points. Gotta be patient. Price should not go back to 23,000. It really should not. So I'm gonna put my stop up there. Three.
I'm gonna tighten up my stop a little bit.
I just left that 23. That's cool.
22.97.
I was at 81. You might as well just risk the 80 because it could hit the 980 level and then still reject. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you're right.
Just risk the extra 3 points, 81. Probably won't even go there. Like this should, in my opinion, just crash out. Again, we know the markets can pull back and then crash out, and the question is, do you want to be holding all that? But if it goes beyond this loop zone, then obviously a 1 minute chart. This is such a wonderful trade, though. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit.
What you say, bro?
This is a wonderful trade. That's a good shit.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. I'm glad I followed my impulse.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. Plus 30 was also giving that, like, I'm leading the way as it does. Again, I would never. I don't know why people trade US 30. 30 gave us the direction, and then when you just follow it, if 30 is dropping, then that's an indicator that probably indices are going to drop with it. Instead of trying to trade 30 yourself, just use that indicator. That's what your mentor says. I do something different. 30 is a confirmation. Now 30 is running a little higher here because it's so stupid. It does whatever. We're gonna come back to Ertz. Today's Wednesday.
Yep.
Now what is dollar doing? I want to see what dollar's doing now. I just want to see.
Bullshit. It's going higher.
He ain't doing nothing. He ain't doing nothing. Snatch liquidity though. I bet y'all go brush my teeth and come back. And markets will have dropped more aggressively. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a.
See, I ain't gonna lie, bro. We shouldn't even go. See, now we shouldn't go higher than 964. We just created you know what I'm saying? Another resistance.
I still leave it for 980 just because there's a nice little loop zone above that. That's why I just I'm gonna take a partial right here. Eye limit. Yes, I haven't brushed my teeth. I don't care. First comes the money.
You know, when I went to go brush my teeth, it's because my anxiety was kicking.
I feel like my impatience is kicking in because it's like I know it's gonna drop, but I don't care to watch it dance around this level.
Yeah, that's what be pissing me off, bro. Like I know what you stop that.
Mm-mm-mm. So I'll be right back, chat. All right, guys. So it's obviously past the time I just stay with you guys. You saw us catch a beautiful freaking trade. Excellent trade execution. Just wonderful, right? And now we're expecting price to drop all the way to 23,900, which is right here. And honestly, if we get more momentum, I won't be surprised if we take out, if we go 23,800. So expectation, honestly, overall is 23, around 23,830. We'll see if we get that today. But beautiful execution. Just to recap, price ran up higher to its all-time highs. Only Nasdaq did that. S&P did not do that. US 30 did not do that. We had SMT up here at a 1-minute chart. I was on the phone with Liquid Extractions. He said he was in shorts. I decided to wait a little longer for more confirmation, which there goes Nasdaq dropping some more, guys. Beautiful. But I waited for more confirmation here, SMT. And I saw the way price was printing beautifully. Up close candles all being respected. Price trades up close candles. I got in here, stop loss above here. Very tight stop loss. I mean, risk reward was crazy on this one. Price, boom, has sunk since, right? See our executions. So we didn't take multiple trades, just one trade setup, one trade execution. I mean, beautifully done. The price is still melting. Again, we'll see price get below its lows. We have a buy limit right here at 23,900 to close out some more of this trade. That's a wonderful trade, guys. Wonderful trade. So with that being said, the Bag Snatcher, Texas Heights, is out. Talk to you guys next time. Like, subscribe, join the goddamn channel.